I don't know why this actually came to my head, but I wonder whose job it is to write down the snap. Like, whose job is it to create the Snapple facts that they write on the cap of the Snapple? That's what was going through my head as I was putting my mascara on right now. Wow, that just took me like 10 minutes to do a ratchet bun that's not even cute. No, I can't be on camera with that bun. Hey guys, so it's actually been 2 days since the move. The night I came, it was like really late. It was almost 12 a.m. at night and I was really tired. So I wasn't able to show you guys the apartment. And then yesterday we moved, during the daytime, we moved the rest of the boxes and that were in the car. So I didn't actually record the apartment like I told you guys I was gonna do. I'm just gonna do that in another video because everything is a mess. Like, there's boxes everywhere. I'm unpacking, but it's like I'm also going through things that are already here and like purging that. So it's been a process, but hopefully in the next couple days everything will be put together and then I can show you guys. So I'm about to do my makeup right now because it's a really nice day. I want to go outside and just enjoy the day, and also I want to just go through some packages with you guys. So right now I'm about to put some whitening strips on. These are the Lumino Oral Essentials whitening strips. I just brushed my teeth and also used the Lumino Oral mouthwash. So I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys. I'm probably gonna be talking a little funny because of the whitening strips, but I'll fast forward through most of this. I'm sorry if you could hear like that background noise. There's a lot of stuff going on in the backyard, and then the tenants who rent out the basement of this house, their TV is pretty loud. And then you can't eat or drink anything for 30 minutes. So I'm about to go on with the Neutrogena Radiant Primer and Serum Healthy Skin Peptides. And my skin is pretty dry right now and I just want to just look glowy. Everyone's always trying to achieve that J-Lo glow. So I'm just gonna rub that into my skin with my fingers. It's like my 3rd time using it. I like it. It's nice. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. The only difference with the Neutrogena one is it has tiny spectacles. Neutrogena one has like these tiny little like glitter particles, which you can't really see unless you get really close, and you can't see it once you put foundation on, which is fine, but your face does definitely feel moisturized. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So I was gonna clip my hair back, but it's taking me like 10 minutes to do a cute little one and I just can't deal with it. So I'm going in with my foundation and I'm just gonna be doing a light layer. What I'm doing today is kind of like my go-to quick makeup routine. Like if I'm trying to look cute but I don't need to be like really glam, this is what I kind of do all the time. So this foundation is really nice because I feel like if you want a light layer, it does let like your natural skin peek through. Like if you have freckles, you can see some of those freckles, but it is visible. So if you want to just cover that, that's fine. And plus you're gonna go in with concealer anyways, so you really don't need that much foundation. But I ain't no makeup artist, girl. I'm just telling you what I do. Yeah, I'm about to go in with concealer. This is my favorite concealer. The camera cut off, but I just went in. I'm looking crazy.
You want to look like a pterodactyl. Men love pterodactyls.
But I just went in with the KKW contour stick. So this is in the shade medium, and I did medium 1 on my nose and then medium 2 on the perimeters of my face. Don't forget that chin, girl. Gotta cover up that double chin. over, I like to like drag on my eyelids just for a little extra coverage. Now that I buffed that out, I'm just gonna quickly go in with some bronzer. I'm not even gonna be setting the rest of my face. Of course I'm setting the contour with some bronzer, but I'm not setting under my eyes or anything. The Tarte Shape Tape, like if you're trying to go for a natural look with the concealer that you don't want to put powder on top of, it's pretty good, because I don't know, to me I just feel like it goes from a cream to a powder in a way, but that's just my experience. Quickly went in with some of the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rose. Kathleen Lights was talking about this in one of her recent videos, and I just like to like put it around my nose and kind of just like blend it in with all the bronzer. And then I go in with the other part from the KKW like little packet. I just like to put this on the inner corners of my eyes and then just like above my eyebrow. And I think I need, actually, I'm gonna go in with a little more of the contour in the shade Medium 1, just like on my eyelids. I don't want to put any eyeshadow. I'm going to just set my face now. These are my two favorite setting sprays. So the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and the Natural Finish, and the Milani Make It Last. This is like, oh my god, this is the best. If you're gonna go with one, I would go with this one because this is a lot more dewy. And then you can always use this for like dewy and matte. It gives like a natural finish. This says natural finish, but it's a lot more dewy than you think. I just go with the dewy one. And then I go in with the Milani Make It Last. Make It Last. Oh, I just swallowed some of that from talking. Now that my face is set, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in the shade Medium Brown. And yeah, I haven't been going in with the eyebrow pencil. I've just been using this. I did actually order a new eyebrow pencil, so when that comes in, I'll be using that. But this is pretty fine for now, especially like for a natural look. I like it. I like it a lot. I probably should have let my face dry a little more before I did this, because as you can see, like a whole little glob got on there. That usually doesn't happen. I need to go in with another brush though, because I don't want to keep adding product on. Okay, yeah, that's good now. My favorite mascara, and this is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions mascara. It's so good. Sorry, this is all up in the camera. I think I should have definitely lowered the camera to be at face level, so next time I'll do that. I mean, not that I'll be making a lot of makeup videos, because again, I'm not a makeup artist, guys. I like makeup, I just do it my way. I like to watch videos of makeup sometimes, but I'm not a makeup artist, and I'm not claiming to be, so please don't judge. Okay, I'm about to go actually brush my teeth and take out these whitening strips so that I could put my lip gloss on. And I'm sure you're so relieved to not hear me with that little lisp that it gives you. Now I'm gonna go in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine with hyaluronic acid in the shade Soft Blush. It's like a really nice, like kind of chapstick lip gloss hybrid. It's not so lip glossy, like it's not so shiny and juicy. It does really hydrate your lips, and it gives it like a nice little like it does give it a little shine. It's just not so like lip glossy. It feels like kind of like a thick chapstick, like Vaseline or something. So these are all the packages that I received here in the new apartment. While I was at my old apartment, I was ordering things and I didn't want it to get shipped to that apartment when I was going to be moving anyways. I felt like that was really counterproductive. So I ordered a couple things. First of all, when I walked in, I was like, oh my God, what is that?
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh, vibe season. So I think this is some jewelry, I'm pretty sure, that I bought. This is so, oh, they put two of the necklaces in the same little case. Oh my God, this is so cute. Actually, I'll link everything on the bottom. This is the saint necklace with like a little cross. It comes together on this chain, and I think I got this one in an 18-inch. They have the option for different size chains, which I really like. And then I got the coin pendant, and I forgot what that top one is called. I'm pretty sure it's just like the chain necklace. This feels so nice though. It actually feels like really luxurious. Matter of fact, I want to try one on actually. Oh my God, it is so cute. Yes, I love it, especially like layered. This one feels like nice and thick. Let me see. Oh, I know my hair is so annoying. It's always all over the place, right? I'm gonna get it together though, guys. I promise. I'll link all of these below. And Vibe Season, I think, had like 35% off everything. So this was not too expensive. And I like that they actually put two of the necklaces together to like save packaging. You know what's so funny? Two of these things, the Vibe Season as well as this Vegamore thing that I purchased, were both from like Instagram ads. So those ads be working because your girl purchased it. So it says, it's so cute. It comes in this little box that you can recycle because it's cardboard. And it's this oil that is a grow hair serum. So it's supposed to help like your hair just get like really healthy. It says visibly increase the hair density up to 50%. Reduce loss from combing and washing by 76%. And it is vegan, cruelty free, and no toxins or hormones added, and it's all natural. I'm pretty sure, like a whole bunch of natural oils. The packaging is really nice too, and I like that they do give you like little statistics there. And it says share before and afters to spread grow movement at Vegamore challenge. That's cute. Love that. And they had a sale. It was like 3 of them for like 15% off. And then I had a 20% off coupon, but I just purchased one just to try it out because I did purchase other hair products here. So what is this? I'm so excited for this. Sam Oscarol on YouTube and Instagram. If you don't follow her, I'm sure you probably have heard of her. I love her. She does like a lot of health and lifestyle and vlog inspired things, and she was talking about this towel. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, towel. I know that's how you pronounce the restaurant. But she was talking about this toothbrush and this cleanser system, and I purchased it. This is the face washer, not face washer. What is this called? So this is the face brush. I was really convinced to buy this because the brush heads of both your toothbrush and the face system go into a little port that has a UV light that kills like all types of bacteria. And it does come with extra heads. This one comes with 2. Toothbrush looks exactly the same. It's the same color. It's just a little longer. Obviously, it's an electric toothbrush, which is really good just to like get deep into those stains. This is from White Fox Boutique. They had, I think it was like 10% off their entire site or something. Oh, look how cute. It comes in a little baggie. So, sneak peek. This is gonna be in another video where I'm gonna be doing just loungewear ideas, like what you can wear to lounge around your house since we're all stuck at home, but also like look cute, girl, you know. I can't wait to show you guys and wear everything and see how I really feel about it and know what to recommend you, as well as this package. Your girl got stuff from Aritzia. Ooh, I'm just dropping everything. Aritzia. Oh, look at this. That's cute. Aritzia was having a really big sale, and yeah, another sneak peek. Woo. So I'm also gonna go through this loungewear and just like let you know what I think about everything and just show you like the basics. It's also from Aritzia, so basically the same thing. And then I'm excited for this. I bought a whole new hair care system. So I purchased a shampoo, a conditioner, a hair rinse, and a bald spot treatment. So right here, I'm actually like losing, you probably can't tell too much on camera, let me get closer. Right here, I'm like actually losing a lot of hair. That's just from wearing ponytails really high on my head and buns and putting them tight and, you know, using gel and all of that for a lot of years. So girl, protect your hair, protect them baby hairs, protect all of that, because you only have so much. So I purchased something before I lose any more hair just to see if I can grow back hair, which I'm gonna use in conjunction with the Vegamore. Okay. So it's just a whole bunch of shampoo and conditioners. So I'm sure you guys heard of Just Nutritive. It used to be called Just Naturals, I believe. And this is their shampoo for grow new hair. So I got the grow new hair system. They had 20% off their entire site except for kits. So the kit came with like the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair rinse, and I believe there was an oil. Yeah, an oil and the bald spot treatment. So it's a grow new hair treatment oil. However, the kit itself I think takes like $17 off, I believe. But the 25% off was taking off more money if you just bought everything individually. So look out for that and just like do the math. I'm pretty sure it took off even like $10 extra. So total was like $27 off or like $30 off, somewhere around there. I will include it somewhere on the screen because I don't really remember. I bought this a while ago and obviously I haven't moved in. So now is when I'm getting to go through this. So I'm gonna go through all of that and just like get rid of the boxes, throw them out. But I don't want this video to be too long. I know I told you all that I was gonna show you the apartment. However, it's literally a mess. So I'm going to, right after this video, throw out all my garbage from these boxes and start unpacking and diving into everything so that I can actually show you the apartment and like start more videos. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and just watch out every Monday for new videos. Love you guys.